F tier, absolute fart cannons. To S tier, literally get straight into it. So first F tier, any 50cc two strokes, absolute dog shit. They sound horrible. You can't make them sound good. It's just the worst bikes you can possibly imagine in terms. They're just horrible. It's nothing else to say. Then you've got electric bikes like the LS218 or the Livewire. F tier. Oh no! Horrific. Barely you can even hear the sound, so it's horrible. Horrific. Hate them. Can't make them ever sound good. Then we got the CBR, a 125R, and this goes for any single cylinder sport bike. Horrific. Can't make them sound good. Sound like absolute fart cannons. Stock exhaust sounds shit. Aftermarket exhaust sounds shit. Full exhaust system including the headers, horrible. Can't tune them up to make them sound good. They are the worst. It goes for everything. This includes the Ninja 125. I think we got it in here. That includes that as well. Ninja 125, GSX, S125, the R125, horrible. F tier. That's about all of them in F tier. Still horrific sound. We'll start off with actually the Ninja 650. Oh, this thing can't make it sound good. It's slightly better than the F tier, but still sounds absolute dog shit. Stock exhaust sounds horrible. It's got like that, you can hear the firing order. It's got the one cylinder and the second cylinder, and it just goes like that continually. It's just shit. Can't even make it sound good. Horrible. This also goes, it's not just the Ninja 650, it's the Ninja 400, Ninja 300, Ninja 250, and obviously you got the 125 and the F tier below, but horrible. Can't make them sound good. Horrific. Dog shit. Then you've got the CBR 500. Horrible sounding bike. Can't make these sound good. Same goes to the Ninja 650. It's got the same engine configuration, just a little bit smaller. Horrible. Sounds horrific. This also goes for the GSX 250R. Don't mistake it for the 4-cylinder to a 250, because the 4-cylinder 250 is completely different to the 2-cylinder one. Parallel twin, can't make them sound good. I also put the KX 450 in. This goes for any 4-stroke or 2-stroke dirt bike. Can't make them sound good. They are dog shit. Horrible. And that pretty much sums up E tier. We'll move on to the D tier, which actually got the Gold Wing. Gold Wing sounds trash. Sounds too much like a car. I think the max RPM is like 9,000. Can't make them sound good. Getting a bit better, but it's just, bro, they're trash. Then you got the BMW K1600. Ugh, not good. 6-cylinder. I mean, effort for giving the bike 6 cylinders, but it's even worse than the Gold Wing. It revs to like 7,000 RPM, that's it. Sounds way too much like a car. Actually sounds like a muscle car. It does not sound like a bike whatsoever. If you go in a mate's garage, he tells you you got a new bike, and you arrive at his place and you're trying to hear the exhaust, you'll think it's a bloody car. You wouldn't think it's a bike. Horrible. Wouldn't rate it at all. dog shit. Then that's pretty much, yeah, that's everything in D tier. Pretty much just sound like cars. Then you got C tier, a little bit better, slightly better, but I still wouldn't rate it. You have the R7 or MT-07. Same engine, pretty much same bike in my opinion. I would have rated it higher, but it's still a parallel twin. It's still a parallel twin. It only has 2 cylinders. It's the best sounding parallel twin on the market. I wouldn't rate this dog shit. It sounds all right. It sounds all right, but it's never going to change the fact it's still a parallel twin. This goes to any Harley Davidson, the 80 degree V-twin. Sound alright, but when you hear them time and time again, it just gets a bit old, and it's still 2 cylinders. Have their disadvantages in terms of performance and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, parallel twin, V-twin. Although V-twins do sound better than parallel twins, except the good parallel twins are about on the same. You just have to make the firing order correct, and I think the MT-07/R7s are 180 degree or something. Not too sure, but listen to it. They sound good. Alright, that sums up C tier. We're trying to move up to the B tier now. Now, this is contrary to popular belief, but in my opinion, I don't think the R1s and this also goes for the V4R. And the Aprilia RSV4. All of them sound like muscle cars. They do not sound like proper bikes. Maybe at higher RPMs, but they, ever since the Yamaha released the crossplane engine in I think 2010, nah, just not it. I know some riders out there absolutely choose them, live or die, the crossplane engines, but nah, man, they're just not it. Mind you, they sound absolutely amazing in comparison to lower tiers, but crossplane engine, they don't sound like bikes in my opinion. I'm not going to get a lot of hate for saying, wow, why didn't you put it higher? But nah, man, R1, nah, man, they just ain't good. That's not it. Right, so I actually don't think I had the images for the other ones up, but A tier is pretty much the, I don't know, yeah, I don't even have the images for them, but it goes to the, I'll just play a sound clip instead. Got the MT-09. Daytona 675. Full stop, amazing sounding. Hear a flyby by one of them. Oh, it's amazing, incredible. Don't have the images for them, but incredible sounding. And now you got S tier. Like, you would want to hear these all day, every day, for the rest of your life, and you'll never get sick of them. Absolute insane levels of engineering and continuity went into these bikes. Got it, there's higher. If I could rate them higher, I would, but S tier is the max. S plus tier, let's rate them S plus tier. We got the absolute legendary CBX 1000. Fucking incredible. Holy shit, this thing sounds absolutely fucking insane. An inline 6 bike. It's like, oh yeah, fuck, I don't even know what other inline 6s have made in the last 10, 15 years, but holy shit, listen to this fucking thing. Then you got the MC22. Fucking incredible. Revs to bloody F1 car. Turns it up. It revs to 20,000 RPM. It literally, I know it's get herds. Everyone says MC22 sounds like a Formula 1 car, and I'll say it because it does. MC22, 20,000 RPM, inline 4 engine on a bike. Oh my god, this thing sounds fucking mint. Then you got H2. Fucking another inline 4 engine. I think it doesn't rev quite as high, but it's still like 15,000 RPM. It's fucking supercharged. Just fucking listen to this thing. Absolutely fucking incredible. I'm lost for it. It is that, if I could rate it higher, this is like S+ tier. Then you got also just the casual inline 4 engine. This goes to the R6, GSX R600. Oh, GSX 600, GSX 1000. All them inline 4 bikes. Yeah, this is final tier list. This is rating. It's just absolutely incredible how good the S tier sounds. And I'll play. And if you heard all the clips, awesome. That's pretty much the tier list summed up. Hope you learned something, and completely avoid the F tier and E tier. I mean, maybe if E tier is your first bike, whatever, but avoid F tier at all costs.